Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Outfund revenue-based funding. Review my usage experience. Outfund revenue-based funding. Review my usage experience offers revenue-based financing options for businesses. It's designed to help small and medium-sized businesses secure funding based on a percentage of their revenue, rather than traditional loans. Key features likely include application processes, revenue tracking tools, and repayment schedules. Their website provides details on eligibility criteria and the funding process. Outfund positions itself as a flexible and accessible alternative to traditional bank loans. Their website emphasizes ease of use and a transparent pricing structure. They claim no hidden fees. The application process seems streamlined, although they don't explicitly highlight any specific technology. Availability is likely dependent on business eligibility criteria, which can be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Outfund revenue-based funding. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The online application only took about 30 minutes to complete, and I received a response within 2 business days. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it simple to track my revenue and monitor repayments. I particularly liked the clear reporting dashboards, which provided a detailed breakdown of my funding and repayments. The system automatically calculated my repayments based on my monthly revenue, which took a lot of the administrative burden off my shoulders. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. I had to access it through my laptop. I had a quick question about the repayment schedule, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how transparent the entire process was, and the lack of complicated contracts or hidden fees was a huge plus. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Outfund's service. It provided the capital I needed to scale my business without the constraints of a traditional loan. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations regarding transparency and ease of use. That's my overview of Outfund revenue-based funding. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.